Hello dear students, as we discussed in last video about oxidation and reduction reaction, here I'm just talking about some examples of reduction reaction and how it occurs during the chemical reaction. So let me start with reduction reaction. Reduction is a chemical process which involves addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. First one is addition of hydrogen. Consider the following reaction: Cl2 plus H2S. Here sulfur is combined with hydrogen. When hydrogen is combined with chlorine, it will convert into HCl. So you just have to say that chlorine is reduced here and form sulfur. Similarly, when ammonia reacted with chlorine, it will produce N2 plus HCl. Here chlorine is alone. When it reacts with ammonia, it will form HCl, which is known as hydrochloric acid. So these reaction are known as the reduction reaction due to addition of hydrogen. In the above reaction, chlorine is reduced to hydrogen chloride by gain of hydrogen. Chlorine plus H2S converted into HCl. Chlorine is converted into HCl, hydrogen is attached. Similarly, chlorine is converted into HCl. Once again, hydrogen is attached. So the reaction is known as reduction reaction. Second one is removal of oxygen. Consider the following reaction: CuO plus H2 convert into Cu plus H2O. Here oxygen is combined with copper. Now oxygen is combined with hydrogen, so CuO converted to copper. Removal of oxygen is known as reduction. Similarly, ZnO plus H2 converted to Zn plus H2O. ZnO converted into Zn. Removal of oxygen is known as reduction reaction. Copper oxide and zinc oxide are reduced to copper and zinc respectively by the loss of oxygen. So in reduction reaction, there is the addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen occur. Let me talk about one important topic, which is oxidizing agent. A substance which loses oxygen or gain hydrogen is called oxidizing agent, or a substance which undergoes reduction behaves as an oxidizing agent. That means whenever the reaction is going to complete, if any species loses oxygen or gain hydrogen, that means reduction occur there, that will be known as the oxidizing agent. Similarly, reducing agent, a substance which loses hydrogen or gain oxygen is called reducing agent. That means a substance which undergoes oxidation behaves as reducing agent. That means addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen, that species is known as the reducing agent, while the opposite of it, a substance which loses oxygen or gain hydrogen, is known as oxidizing agent. Let me consider one equation: CuO plus H2 converted into Cu plus H2O. Here CuO is converted into copper. That means reduction occur. When the reduction occur, then that species, when the reduction occur there, the species is known as oxidizing agent. Similarly, hydrogen is converted into H2O. Hydrogen is combined with oxygen, so oxidation is occur here, and the species which shows oxidation, that will be known as reducing agent. That means that the agent will be opposite of that reaction. If reduction is occur, the agent will be oxidizing agent. If oxidation is occur, the agent will be reducing agent. As hydrogen is gain oxygen from copper oxide, hydrogen and convert into hydrogen oxide. As hydrogen gain oxygen from copper oxide, therefore the hydrogen is a reducing agent, or hydrogen is oxidized. Similarly, in this reaction, as the copper oxide loses oxygen, therefore copper is reduced. Copper oxide undergoes reduction, hence copper oxide is an oxidizing agent. That means if the species is oxidizing agent, then itself will be reduced. Similarly, if the species is reducing agent, then itself will be oxidized.